12 amazing gadgets for home that you can buy on Amazon. Looking to elevate your home experience with some cool new gadgets? Amazon is a treasure trove of innovative and functional devices designed to make everyday life easier, more entertaining, and smarter. From smart home solutions to high-tech kitchen tools, there's no shortage of options. They offer cutting-edge features, sleek designs, and the kind of performance that can transform your living space. Drio Pedestal Fan. The Drio Pedestal Fan redefines comfort with its sleek design and unmatched functionality. Perfect for any room in your home, this gadget doesn't just blow air. It orchestrates a symphony of cooling efficiency. With its whisper-quiet operation and multiple speed settings, the Drio Fan adapts to your needs, whether you're seeking a gentle breeze during a nap or a powerful gust to cool down a heated summer evening. Its oscillation range ensures every corner of the room is covered, and its modern aesthetic adds a touch of elegance to any decor. Kohler Kitchen Faucet. The Kohler Kitchen Faucet is a game-changer for modern kitchens, combining style and innovation in one elegant package. This smart faucet boasts hands-free operation, allowing you to activate the water flow with a simple wave of your hand. It's perfect for multitasking cooks and families with their hands full. The faucet's sleek design is both durable and visually appealing, adding a touch of sophistication to any kitchen. Beyond its convenience, the Kohler faucet integrates advanced water-saving technology, reducing waste while maintaining excellent water pressure. Its customizable temperature presets and intuitive controls make it a joy to use, whether you're rinsing vegetables or filling pots for dinner. Sierra Portable Range Hood. The Sierra Portable Range Hood is a lifesaver for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen ventilation. Compact and versatile, this gadget is ideal for smaller spaces or renters who can't install permanent fixtures. Despite its size, the Range Hood packs a punch with powerful suction capabilities that eliminate smoke, grease, and cooking odors, keeping your kitchen fresh and clean. Its easy-to-install design means you can enjoy improved air quality without professional help. The Range Hood's sleek, minimalist design complements any kitchen aesthetic, while its energy-efficient motor operates quietly. Eufy Floodlight Cam E340. The Eufy Floodlight Cam E340 is your ultimate home security companion, combining bright floodlights with a high-definition security camera. This gadget not only lights up your outdoor space but also keeps a vigilant eye on it. Its motion-activated sensors ensure that no movement goes unnoticed, while the crystal-clear video footage provides peace of mind day or night. The camera's artificial intelligence-powered detection system reduces false alarms, focusing only on real threats. You can monitor live footage from your smartphone, and you can communicate through the two-way audio feature. Retractable Clothless Line. The retractable clothless line brings traditional laundry drying into the modern age. This compact, wall-mounted gadget extends to provide ample space for hanging clothes, then retracts neatly when not in use. Perfect for small apartments or homes without outdoor drying options, it's a space-saving marvel that's both functional and discreet. Its durable, weather-resistant materials ensure long-lasting performance, whether you use it indoors or outdoors. The adjustable length makes it versatile for different laundry loads, and its installation is a breeze. With the retractable clothless line, you can save energy, reduce your carbon footprint, and enjoy the fresh scent of air-dried clothes without cluttering your space. Smart Wall Space Heater. The Smart Wall Space Heater is a sleek, efficient solution for keeping your home cozy during colder months. Designed to mount directly onto your wall, it blends seamlessly into your decor while delivering powerful heat to any room. Its energy-efficient design ensures you stay warm without worrying about high utility bills. What makes this heater truly smart is its programmable thermostat and Wi-Fi connectivity. Outdoor Solar Wall Light. The Outdoor Solar Wall Light is an eco-friendly way to illuminate your outdoor spaces. Powered entirely by solar energy, this gadget charges during the day and provides bright, reliable lighting at night. Its motion sensors add an extra layer of security, lighting up when it detects movement and scaring off potential intruders. Built with weather-resistant materials, this light can withstand rain, snow, and heat, making it ideal for year-round use. Twinkly Squares Starter Kit. The Twinkly Squares Starter Kit is a customizable LED wall art system that turns any room into a creative masterpiece. These smart, modular panels can be arranged in countless configurations and lit up with millions of color options. Sync them to your music, games, or even voice commands for an interactive lighting experience like no other. Easy to install and control through a user-friendly app. These panels are perfect for enhancing home decor. creating immersive gaming setups, or adding ambience to any occasion. The Twinkly Squares Starter Kit combines innovation and artistry, making it an exciting addition to your smart home ecosystem. Rainwater Collection Diverter. The Rainwater Collection Diverter is a practical gadget that helps you conserve water effortlessly. Installed on your downspout, this device redirects rainwater into a storage barrel, allowing you to use it for gardening, cleaning, or other non-potable needs. It's an eco-friendly solution that reduces water waste and lowers utility bills. Designed for durability, the diverter withstands harsh weather and filters out debris to keep your collected water clean. Its adjustable settings make it compatible with various gutter sizes, and its discreet appearance ensures it blends seamlessly with your home. By using the Rainwater Collection Diverter, you're taking a simple but significant step towards sustainability. Sumstar Case Air 04. The Sumstar Case Air 04 is a revolutionary air purifier that redefines indoor air quality. Designed with cutting-edge technology, it uses advanced HEPA filtration to capture up to 99.97% of airborne pollutants, including dust, pollen, pet dander, and harmful particles. Its sleek and modern design ensures it fits effortlessly into any room while working tirelessly to deliver clean, fresh air for your family. What sets the Case Air 04 apart is its smart functionality. Equipped with an intuitive app, you can monitor air quality in real time, adjust settings, and even set schedules for operation. MoanFlow Smart Water Leak Detector. The MoanFlow Smart Water Leak Detector is your home's first line of defense against costly water damage. This compact yet powerful gadget monitors your plumbing system for leaks and unusual moisture levels, providing instant alerts to your smartphone when an issue is detected. Whether it's a slow drip or a potential flood, the MoanFlow helps you address problems before they escalate. Its versatility allows you to place it under sinks, near washing machines, or anywhere leaks are likely to occur. Beyond detection, it integrates seamlessly with other smart home devices, allowing you to shut off water remotely if a leak is detected. AlphaBot X6. The AlphaBot X6 takes floor cleaning to the next level with its advanced robotic mopping and vacuuming capabilities. This smart device is designed to handle various flooring types, from hardwood to tiles, delivering a spotless finish every time. Its powerful suction eliminates dirt and debris, while the mopping function adds an extra layer of cleanliness, making it perfect for busy households. What truly makes the AlphaBot X6 stand out is its smart navigation system. Equipped with sensors and mapping technology, it moves efficiently around furniture and obstacles, ensuring every corner is cleaned. The long battery life and self-charging capability mean it's always ready for the next cleaning session. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.